applause for our beloved President and CEO.
Our vision extends beyond the Sheba Zion's boundaries, and it is rooted in our unwavering commitment to help others live a healthy life and achieve their dreams.
Sapat yung word na salamat. Dahil kung wala kayo, hindi mabubuo ang Sheba Zion. And remember, without your unwavering dedication, your hard work, and commitment, wala po tayo ngayong gabing ito. Established Sheba Zion Company. Kaya alam na alam ko, hindi niya ito pababayaan. Sa mula 2018 hanggang ngayon, hindi ko po maisa-isa yung mga taong pinagaling ng Lord through our Red Pine. Hindi ko na po mabilang yung mga taong napaiyak dahil sa kabutihan ng Diyos. And you know, the Lord reminded me, after my horrible experience, He told me by His word, do not be afraid. Do not fear, for I am with you. He always reminds me by His great purpose in my life. Unwavering commitment to the company, hindi tayo mabubuo. And again, maraming salamat sa support nyo. At sana wag po tayong magsawa abutin yung mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong natin.
Then sa Sheba Zion, ang aking pinaka-mentor ay nandito si Doc C. Ang sabi niya sa akin, wag lang akong tumigil kahit anong struggle. Dahil alam ko may mangyayari at nandito tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat!
paggawa ng kabutihan. Let's celebrate our anniversary tonight and more years of success. God bless us all. Maraming salamat.